10 ton, built 1912, called Molly. You don't see many collecting Truckworth stick rollers, they're quite a rarity. Quite a big engine, and again, this is one that's been on the island all its life, so it's nice to see it's still here. Then we've got the second one, it's the Stevens roller coming by, a smaller version, the 10 ton, sorry, the 6 ton this one, again, very similar to its larger brother, corrugated iron roof. Look at the steering again, and just in front of the chimney. So this one built in 1929, 6 ton version. Mr. God has brought this all the way from Dundee on the road, 60 plus miles. Took it in a week, I think in a day and a half, so at least they get here. There's no need to keep on the roads today. Sure you use both back roads as well. Then we've got the John Fowler roller from Fowler's and Leeds again. It's a fine big roller. Number 17022, DNB, single cylinder 10 tons. So this one belongs to Mr. Bridson's in the Wirral. Now Bridson's were famous rotators or tar sprayers etc. from the Wirral. It's nice to see they still own something which is involved with that past type use. Then we got Mr. Allison with Ophelia. This is a particularly fine looking roller now. I remember this coming into Mr. Allison's ownership. Must be 14 years ago, thereabouts, when it looked in a very sorry state. He recovered it for the playground at Pond Bridge, school playground. Previously owned by Edison's, again another famous rotator. This one roller was built in 1917. You can see the size of it, it's a much smaller version than the one following it, which is a 10 ton. It's only in St. Matthews, much well up. Fine big roller called Phoenix. And following that we've got the Mr. Mason and family.